The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a mathematical tool.
Title of the video, Abacus division, numbers involving zeros. Let us take the example 2001 divided by 7. As mentioned repeatedly, numbers involving zero may be a little bit tricky when abacus multiplication and division processes are initiated. However, they are not complicated when care is taken properly. Let us set the number 2001 in the extreme right of the abacus. Let us also set the number 7, which is the divisor, in the extreme left of the abacus. As the highest digit of the dividend 2 is smaller than the divisor 7, there is no need to skip a column to the left of the dividend while setting the quotient. As 2 is smaller than the divisor 7, we have to take the first two digits of the dividend. That becomes 20. We ask how many 7s in 20? By saying 2, we set that 2 to the immediate left of the dividend and subtract 14 from 20. That is, 1 is subtracted from 2 and we have to subtract 4 from 0. For doing this, we subtract 1 in the thousands column and add 6 in the hundreds column. You can realize that this is automatically making way for setting the next digit of the quotient. Now we have to take 60 for the purpose of division and ask how many 7s in 60. By saying 8, we set the quotient 8 to the right of the already available digit 2 of the quotient. Now we have to subtract 56 from 60. We subtract 5 in the hundreds column and then move on to the tens column where we have to subtract 6 from 0. As it is not possible, subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 4 in the tens column. At this stage too, we can note that we are automatically clearing way for setting the next digit of the quotient. In case you don't automatically find a place for setting the quotient, you can understand that there is a problem involved in the calculation. Now let us do the final division. You ask how many 7s in 41, and by saying 5, set it to the right of the already available quotient 28. By saying 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35, subtract 3 from the 4 in the tens column. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 1 in the units column, and therefore simply subtract 1 bead in the tens column and add 5 in the units column. You can realize that the remainder 6 and the quotient 285 are separated by a column. This natural placement of numbers in the respective columns itself will assure that the abacus operation is in the right direction. Therefore, the child should not be afraid of division problems involving zeros. The different natures of exercises used in the division section must have given enough experience to the child in handling all kinds of division problems.